Okay, Zoe, stop talking. Let me talk. Okay, this next part is very important. I want to give you a very clear idea. When we are adding or subtracting fractions, then you can start practicing at home for your homework. Okay, so again, when we see this, they ask us to express each of these as a single fraction. So what they are actually telling us is, when we look at the big picture, this is just a fraction adding a fraction. Okay? Let me bring you back to your primary school things that you all have done before. Let's say I don't have the A there. I have 7 over 2 plus 4 over 5. What will you do when you are adding fraction? Amani? Yes, make the same denominator. So 2 and 5, we find the lowest common multiple, which is 10. Yes, yes. So, bottom, so I must quickly talk finish. So the bottom of the first fraction, I multiply 5. And if I multiply the denominator of the first fraction, I am changing the fraction, but I don't want to change the fraction. I just want it to write in a different way. So I must multiply the same thing to the top. So I must multiply 5 to the numerator also. Then for the second fraction, I need to multiply 2 to the denominator, which is why I multiply 2 to the numerator. Then I can write the fractions as 35 over 10 plus 8 over 10. Once I have the common denominator, I write them into the same fraction, one denominator. Then I take the first numerator, I add the second numerator. And finally, simplify. Okay? So this step is exactly the same when we do with algebra. Just that this time round there are alphabets inside, but no change, we are adding fraction. Adding fraction, we make common denominator. So how do I make common denominator? First one is 2 times A. Second one is 5 times A. So if I can make both of them 10 times A, they will be the same. So I will multiply 5. Because I multiply 5, I must multiply 5. I must multiply 2. Because I multiply 2, I must multiply 2. Then my next step, again is the same. I write my 35 over 10A. Then I have my 8 over 10A. Okay? Then I have, write them into one fraction. The denominator is the same. Then I add the 2 numerator. Then I get my answer. Okay? So actually it's no difference from your primary school one. Can? For part B, the first denominator is, never mind, later, okay, sorry, let you all copy first this one. Done. Okay. Okay. Then for part B, later you all do. I just want to tell you, what is the common denominator? First one is A times B. Second one is B times C. Huh? No. What do I want to make to become the lowest common multiple? Times C. If I have A, B, C, then both will be common already. So the first one, I times C. I times C. The other side, I times A. I times A. Because BC times A become ABC. AB times C become ABC. Then they will be common already. Then they will be same denominator already. Can? Okay. Part C. Bottom is 2 times C times D. Bottom is 5 times C. So the first one, 2 and 5, I want to make common. So I need to times 5. Times 5. Here I need to times 2 times 2. But still they are not the same. One is C times D, one only got C, no D. So I also need to multiply D. Then they will be common. This one. 1. Primary school also learned before. 1 is the same as 1 over 1. Anything also, 2 over 1 is 2. 3 over 1 is 3. So we add a denominator ourselves. Then after that, we make them the same. Okay? 9xy. 9 and 4. So we make a common one first, which is 36. Okay? So I need to multiply 4, I need to multiply 4, I need to multiply 9, I need to multiply 9. But front got 9 times x times y. Second one only x. I also need to multiply y. Then they will be the same. 12 and 8 make common. 24. 12, 24. 8, 16, 24. I cannot slow down already lah. I slow down, then where got time for you all to do? Okay. You know I write this so that you all can continue the questions, right? Since you all ask me to slow down, okay lah, you all take the time now, try. B, C, D, E. Huh? My hair so red, yeah lor, I need to dye black again already. I dye black and then it faded. My natural is white already lah now. Purple is dyed during the holiday one. Okay? Yeah. Blonde. Blonde last year got do before also. Holiday I always dye different color hair one. Blue, green, neon pink. Hey, blue also got do before. Hey, y'all, time for y'all to practice B, C, D, E. Rainbow color, I don't like it.
You like to do every color like
I don't like to mix too many color together. I'm a simple person. I don't like so complicated, complex one. Okay. Okay, try. This will be your homework. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So whatever you can do now, you can do less at home. Okay? The blue color is I helping you to get started in case you cannot start. Then I stop my recording already.